All right, hey guys, today I got a different do-it-yourself video here. Uh, this is something unusual that I never done it before, so this is something new. Mostly, I work on the BMWs. I can do engines, I can do transmissions, rebuilding, and all that stuff. But lately, I've been getting different challenges. For example, let's start with this one. This is a diesel truck, the F350. So. The bad oil causes this crap. Look at this. So this engine is trashed, so I got to put a new engine. Let me wipe out. But this video today, it's about the biggest, the baddest, really badass zero turn. All right, this is an Exmark. This is the biggest, the commercial mower you can get on this. This is a 72-inch, the Lazer Z, and it's a X series. So here's the serial number. So the problem was, that this thing was leaking a lot of oil, from here. So from the frame, and I couldn't find the damn issue. So I already pulled the engine, and if I had to do it again, this is easy, because a lot of people said, oh my God, you got to take it to the dealership. It's going to cost you an arm and a leg. I'm like, yeah, what the hell with it. I'm just going to do it myself. You can see it was leaking badly. So then I was afraid one day I'm just going to run out of oil, and I'm going to lose the engine. So I thought, let's pull the engine. So, I just want to make it real quick. There is only 4 bolts holding the engine. So be careful taking the last one out because engine will tilt over. So only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So take those out. These were really, really easy to pull. All you have to do is just take this center bolt here and this will drop out. Okay. This comes, from the crankshaft. Okay. This is your clutch. So it just drops out. And then this thing actually slides out. It was really easy, so it came right out. This thing actually, you can fit wrench right here, to take the tension out, and you can just take the belt out. So it takes really, like 20 minutes to take it out. And the reason I found it was just so stupid. Okay, so here's the engine. So the crank seal was actually perfect. So I said, oh crap. So what's the issue? Everything is dry, nothing is leaking, as you can see it, everything looks good. So here's the top part of the engine. So the reason, you got a drain plug here, okay, to drain the oil. And this engine, goes into a lot of machines. So they made the 2 drain plugs, if you have to put this engine in a different machine, so you have a drain plug on this side, and this thing was loose. Let me show you right there. So this thing was loose and it was almost coming out. Actually, I got very lucky. I pulled the engine on time, because if this thing would come out, the whole oil would just drain out and you're gonna lose the engine. So simple thing, simple shit. So it caused all this problem. But like I said, it was easy to pull it out. I don't have to mess with a lot of wiring. I mean, the fuel system stays here. All you have to do, just disconnect one hose here. So it was very simple, and you got only one plug here, to disconnect it. That's from the back. So, and that's it. And just take the whole engine out, and it's not heavy. Just one person can lift it out easily. So, at the same time, it's very good to check everything out. And I found the brake cable was broke, and then somebody just left it like that. They just zip tied it. So I just found out, and it wasn't breaking actually on this wheel. And let me show you this side. And it's supposed to be like that. See the whole thing, it's actually attached. So I got the new cables coming in and all that stuff, but this is a really nice machine, and it has just under 1,000 hours, I think, something like that. It works great. Like I said, the biggest, the baddest machine you can get on the market, commercial grade, perfect machine, you know. So like I said, you know, again, 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts that that actually goes, you know, from under. Take those out, you know, take the tension from the belt, you know, and just disconnect one plug. So like I was saying, just one plug here, you know, just disconnect this thing, you know, take out the battery, of course, and the fuel hose, you know, all you have to do, you know, just disconnect it from here, and you're good to go. That's it, you know, very simple. And just mark your cables, of course. You know, I put a mark, as you can see it, on this one. So this is red. I think that was a choke or whatever, I don't remember. And I have a marks on this cable also. So you better mark it, you know, because you don't want to mess around later on. So they're trying to adjust the damn thing. And I marked it here also. See, this is red. I mean, this is black, I'm sorry. This is black, this is red. That's it. Simple, guys. So if you have any questions, and like I said, you know, it's a very good time to power pressure the damn thing, you know, change the spark plugs, you know, whatever you want to do it, it's easy.